Them poor. That's a whole deep philosophical question that we got to look.
Yeah, but if we can live forever, then why don't you just eat whatever you want?
I said soft drink.
Why is that not soft? It's not like
the gig. You got the gig next, right?
Ethereal, like cathartic.
Like the Logan's Run's future. Remember the Logan's Run future, everybody?
Like we have a pit suit?
I guess if it was half Shih Tzu and half Pitbull.
So it's me, Dr. Phil, and you know.
Well, Tootsie came out in the 80s.
Oh, okay.
Macho women, ugly women are macho. And I don't want to get into it.
how do you know she had a dream?
She told me.
In my evening dress that I wore to one premiere.
Are you okay? Everything's good? He had bad breath, though. I know, God rest his soul, but he had bad breath.
You got.
I really enjoy 7-Up. Someone who probably smells just, like $1 million.
Night meatball, sweet and sour garlic bread.
Okay. Boy, killing it, boy, killing it. That's a deep philosophical question. That requires a whole.
Give me the cliff notes.
The cliff notes. I think we. Boy, killing it, boy,